Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 3. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen password, unlock it, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Start with numeric, and as you can see again we've got three types of numeric passwords: 6 digits, 4 digits and 4 to 16 digits. Let's only set up 4 digits password because basically they are the same and the only difference is length. So let's now use your numeric password to unlock the phone, and let's go to an alphanumeric password. To create it, enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And now let's go back. Now go to fingerprint, add fingerprint, and scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now when it's set, use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. Next, let's go to face, and this is our last method to unlock the phone. Continue, and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.